everyone, welcome back to Toys channel. I know I've done quite a lot of Marvels and Hot Toys stuff lately and haven't given much love to any Pokemon stuff, so here we are back at the Pokemon theme. In front of me I've got two boxes of the Re-ment Pokemon latest series with the logs. No, not those kind of logs, but logs, wooden logs. This essentially comes in 6 variations, and let me show you guys what there is. Before we get started, please always remember to like the like button as well as subscribe to my channel because there are loads of Pokemon, Demon Slayer, Marvel, Hot Toys, vlogs I do on my channel, so please feel free to check those out. Within these 6, I do really want the Pikachu as well as the Ditto ones because they look the cutest. And maybe runners up would be Mukuro and also Pochama, the penguin one. That can never go wrong, right? So let's take a look at the box first. Right, so at the center of the front of the box, you have Pikachu and Pichu. On the left, you have Pochama, 3 of them, so that's very kind of them adding in so many figurines. And also the Mukuro on the right hand side. And this is the Nakayoshi Friends line by Re-ment, as you can see here. It is a new line and it differs from what they've done conventionally with the logs, or should I say the tree series. And by now we've gotten a bit tired of all the tree series. And I believe this saves quite a lot of space as well if you have a tiny space for displays like me, because I've got too many of these. So unless I really like the set, I tend to not buy any more full boxes these days because I have got limited space. On the back, you can see the 6 individual variations that you can get from number 1 Pikachu to Pichu. Second one is the Mukuru, 3 of them, and this one is the Wooloo and Mariep. So I'm literally just reading it through the text here. Of course, the English names would differ slightly. Mukuro here on the 4th spot, and Ditto, not going to explain that, on 5th. And also Pochama, spin this round, nothing much here. At the top, nothing exciting as well, other than additional pictures. So without further ado, let's open it up. Moment of truth. Hope it's one of the ones I want. 3, 2, 1, boom. Holy shit. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I got Pikachu right away. Thank you, Re-ment, for giving me good luck. And yeah, it looks pretty good on the paint job side. Some smudges on the face. Not good, not good. Let's have a look at Pichu. Looks okay on the whole so far. And the log, simplistic. Scalp is average. Paint job is average. Let's take it out. Actually, before that, we've got the piece of paper. Let's have a look. Right, so essentially the same thing as we have seen on the box, but I'll just let you guys have a closer look here. Okay, all done. On back, that's nothing. Right, okay, boom. Right, let's open it. The bottom, Nintendo, Pokemon, and that's about it. And 2 spots for you to stick Pikachu and Pichu's butt into. So let's stick them in now. Why not? So ta-da, and there we go. First of all, there are some scratch marks here, as you can see here already, so not ideal. And also what I've just mentioned with the kind of smudge for the paint on Pikachu's cheek, not ideal, but hey, it's some cheap figurines, eh? That's it for the front, otherwise it looks okay. The plastic, the paint is pretty average On the back, not a lot going on here, standard Pikachu stuff, and also some small smudge here, just a nitpick. Other than that, it's all good. Maybe some overlinings here at the bottom, but let's pretend not to see that. Also with the ears, lining overboard, but nothing too major. But what bums me out is the plastic. They obviously cut it right here, so I think they should have done it at the butt area. Pichu, let's take him out. On the ears, same issue with Pikachu, small slight color overboard. But here on the front, not sure if you can see where. So this Pichu has a birthmark on the front of the face, probably to do with the paint, and the finishing is not done well. Not sure why he's got an additional skin layer on his right foot, but there shouldn't be any of this there. And also moving to the back, Nintendo Pokemon, nothing special there. And paint job is okay. So all in all, these two figures are pretty average, to be honest. Not the best that we've seen from Re-ment, but this is a new line, so I think they're just cutting the costs down to make more money, as well as being prudent in case this line doesn't sell well. So let's move to vlog or log. So with the flower here on the right hand side, it looks okay. Again, plastic pretty average. Paint job is average, not a lot of details. Log scalp is nice. There are some nice details, but if I remember right, the trees look a bit better, not as simplistic. And also the paint job was a little bit better, despite the fact that they've already got 2 layers of spray painted. Lighter brown as well as the darker brown here. Not sure if you can see it. And moving to the side, this is where you join the different logs together. Very simplistic, very minimalistic. Oh, you can actually plug this out, okay? So you can, at this point to join the different logs together so they don't fall apart. And yeah, this looks pretty standard stuff. No paint jobs, nothing here really. And also on this side as well, nothing. So if we put these two here. Right, it looks great on its own, but if you look at the details in terms of the scalp, of the structure, of the paint job, it's not that well done, to be honest. And it kind of bums me out as it's a new line. They want to instill these confidence in consumers, so people would buy second series or third, fourth, fifth, etc. But nonetheless, if you look at it from afar, it looks okay. You can't really see the flaws. Well, maybe Pichu's feet here, but anyways, it is what it is. Right, hopefully it's Ditto. Please be Ditto. Let me get the focus right. Please be Ditto. 3, 2, 1. Huh! Okay, not bad. Not the one that I really want, but as I said, this would be the runner-up. So let's have a look once it's out of the bag. The first one, let's have a look. Right, boy, lining overboard here with the mouth. Sorry for my high standards, but I can see it right away, so that's not good. I am a person of great eye for attention to detail. And the plastic, again, similar to the Pikachu and Pichu ones. Not the best, as you can see, quite a lot of flaws here and there. It's not smooth. Paint job is not smooth either. But luckily on the back, it looks okay. Averagely okay. And in terms of the front, I don't know why they've messed the mouth bit up with the yellow overboard. And as well as some nitpick on the side here with the lighter blue. Other than that, not a lot going on here, so passable I'd say for pajama number 1. And for pajama number 2, similar happenings with the lighter blue as well as the yellow part here on the mouth area. Okay, this one has a bit more of a serious problem. There are smudges and paint job issues here, as you can see on the eyelid. Well, above the eyelid area, it's a bit thin on the white, so they've gone lazy there, of course, maybe with one layer of paint. And if we move on to the right hand side, you don't really get this kind of lighter white area that sits here. With the hands and feet, it looks okay. It's just a smudge. Oh, for fuck's sake. Wait, I can actually get it off. Hang on. No idea what that was, but now I've got it off, and yeah, we can continue. Plastic, again, it's got rough surfaces and rough cut, not ideal. On the back, same average. So pajama number 2, passable as well. Pajama number 3, oh hot damn, he's got some darker blue on his hand area, as well as got a blue, well, dark blue mole here. And a lot of yellow around the mouth, as if he's eaten some mustard and forgot to wipe his mouth. So what the heck? Fortunately, the eyes, they aren't looking weird, or should I say they are normal. Again, on the butt or bottom area, you do have these rough cuts, rough surface areas. Here you can see the rough lines. Not ideal, but oh fucking hell, there's another paint job issue right here with the dark blue. Oh, the QC, Re-ment, when will you learn? So the hole for the butt. So without further ado, let's plug all these 3 in. Just a quick note, this pajama number 3 should have been annihilated. It should have been fouled or kicked out from the QC bucket at the Re-ment factory, but what the hell. So there we are. Okay, from afar, this looks pretty cute. If you can turn a blind eye to the small flaws I've just mentioned, you would have a good time with this figure. And because I'm going to be displaying it amongst my many hundreds or thousands of figures, I'm not going to see the minor flaws. So I guess it's okay on that part. And you do get this little cute bush on this log, well, next to this log. I'm putting it in right now. Doom. Okay, so this, I'm glad I only got just 2, because I can't imagine having all 6 all linked together as kind of like a fence on your table or something, just to draw a separate section for the table or segregate the 2 different areas. So this is pretty good for now. It kind of displays well because it's not too large or too lengthy, and it looks pretty cute. And let's try the other way around. Yep, I actually like this more, so this would resonate with the box right here. Ta-da, top and bottom. Yeah, I am satisfied with this, to be honest. And I quite like them, only to the extent of ignoring the flaws I've seen just now. So what do you think of these figures? Are they up to your standards? Because for myself, they are slightly disappointing in terms of quality, in terms of the plastic they've molded with. As I've already mentioned in my previous unboxings and reviews of the various sets of Pokemons, Re-ment has never been consistent with their paint jobs, the quality, the plastic, the finishings, etc. But great concept. Again, I do like this concept, other than the fact that I do not like the log being too long. I do not like this wooden log to be too long because it will be difficult to display, especially once you've got tons of more Pokemons down the line with Series 2 or even 3 in the future. You're gonna have tons of space for that huge long wooden log. Oh man, I gotta stop saying that. So other than that, I really like the concept and I really like these two that I've gotten, and I will look for a ditto one in the market. As always, please like the like button as well as subscribe to my channel for more Pokemon, Demon Slayer, Marvel, Pokemon, Hot Toys, Marvel, Pokemon, Demon Slayer, etc. Whatever. Now see you guys next time. Stay safe and see ya!